Hey everybody, here at our Leesburg office, and I am excited to make this announcement. Roofing and More will now be offering GAF Energy's Timberline solar shingles. This is a nailable solar product that for the right candidate will minimize and possibly even eliminate your electric bills. Produce your own energy, tax credits available. There is a plethora of reasons for you to look into this new solar product, a product of the future. I am so blessed and thankful that we are partnered with GAF on the cutting edge of technology. Contact us to learn more for your free estimate and evaluation. Check out some of our YouTube videos also to learn more. We're excited about this and look forward to installing thousands of solar roofs over the next several years in the Northern Virginia market. God bless you guys.